Hi, Carl here from showing you a Knotwood install of typical window installation. Okay, so what we did here, and you can see we've got a trim all the way around the window. Okay, first of all, we use the Knotwood top clip base, and this went all around the window. We then went and applied all of our cladding material, and after we completed it, we went and finished it off with the top clip. This top clip just fits in. It's a male and female assembly. One piece fits into the other, and we use a dead blow hammer to snap that in. You can see on the top here, we've gone long, we've run the two sides long, and then we've put the bottom in between the two. And that's how we would recommend finishing a window. There is one other option. You can put a miter joint here. This project is actually in Eastern Canada, where we have a temperature range from -20 degrees up to +90 degrees. We have to allow for expansion and contraction with the product. And that's why we've chosen not to do a miter corner here. We know that it may look great today, but in the middle of winter when it's -20 degrees, we're going to see that crack open up a bit. So that's why we've done more of a straight cut. Nice, going to be a cleaner finish throughout the different seasons.